might see a couple new faces. We have Kira here with us today. We also have Ellie. Recently, if you guys have been watching the videos, you've heard that our great-grandmother sadly passed. Well, what she did was she made a lot of handmade recipes. Today we're going to do an arsenic cake. So here it calls for either white or yellow cake mix. We're going to do both because why not? And we're also, instead, we're going to do half and half. When it calls for water, just make it a little bit more richer. Are you ready to start? Are you excited to start? Okay, so first we're going to have everyone open their cake mix. We are going to be in groups of 2 because we're doing separate cakes. In my group we have Ellie, and we have Lucia and I. And then in that group we have Rowan.
I haven't been here in a while.
We have Ivan, and we also have Kira. So first we're going to take our cake mixers. So we're also going to pour in 1 package of pistachio instant pudding. So they're right now pouring in the cake packaging and the pistachio mix. And then after that we're going to do 4 eggs each per cake.
I'll get it.
Good thing we washed our hands. Booyah! Is that
Always
all
watch
4
our hands,
eggs?
kids.
Cup of half and half instead of water.
I can't do it. I can't do it.
I know you can do it.
Hey, Sia, can I please have this?
Lucia, you're
Hey,
going to help me.
Sia, we're going to be cooking. Can I please have this?
Hey, Sia, come here. You don't need that. You don't need that. We're doing half a cup of oil. Kira, can you please put the oven to 350 for me? You're going to press bake. And then you're going to turn it up to 350.
It's already up there.
Fantastic. Then you're going to press start. Look, it makes cool bubbles. Do you know why it makes the cool bubbles?
Yeah.
It's because oil doesn't mix with anything yet because we haven't mixed it. After they're done mixing, we're going to bake it at 350 and we're going to put it in angel food cake just so it looks pretty. We're going to do that for 15 minutes or until we test it and it's done.
Can I try it next again? Lucia? Yeah? I'm going to let you put one here. Otherwise, I'm going to help you. Can I try that?
No, just do it. Let's go. Yep, you got it.
We got white. Ah! Hello, Kimba?
Hey, you ready to try, Sia?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to ask nicely for Ellie to pass it.
We got this.
You do got it. You're doing great. Okay. Now we're going to get the edges.
Smell how yummy it looks.
It does. It smells so good, guys. I wish you could smell this.
I wish there was a smell cam.
Ooh, by the way, we use pistachio pudding, so it has an interesting color. Show this to the camera, man. Look, ours are different colors. The only thing that's different is the cake batter that we use. Start spooning it. Start spooning it.
Stop
flour.
We'll just stir it. Wait, stop. Just do it, and then we'll.
Oh,
And then we'll
okay.
just put it all in there, and then we'll just stir it in there.
It smells so good.
Yeah, it looks like it's all almost done. Looks like very thin block. But it doesn't smell like block.
Okay.
Me too.
Me too.
I like it.
I want to like this.
I don't like it.
I don't like pistachio.
So one way to get it to go down is you're going to swish it side to side.
That's no jello.
It's going to get all the bubbles out, and since no one's licked this, I'm going to use it to scrape the edges and put it down. Okay, Ellie, you want to lick it? I want to try it.
Here, I'll hold it.
It's actually really good. It doesn't taste pistachio-y. It tastes like a gelato. Here, you and Ivan want to do the honors of putting them in? So like we say in all of our videos, you're going to have an older sibling or an adult supervise you while you put stuff in the oven, or you're going to have them. So we've now done the cake, so I'm going to show you guys how to test them. You're going to take a knife and you're going to stick it in the middle of the cake. And you're going to pull out. If there's no cake stuck to it, that means your cake is done. After your cake is done, we're going to leave it out for 5 minutes like that, and then we're going to invert it, which means flopping it over onto a rack sheet. And then we'll get back to you so you can see how it's done. So you're going to want to hold it, literally turn it over, and just let it stay just like that. So after pulling out the cakes and after turning them, you're not going to do the next step. You can ice them if you want, but what the recipe itself says to do is to put powdered sugar on top. So you're going to sift it all on top. Don't be afraid to shake it hard. So do you guys remember which cake is this?
This one is the white cake because of the shape and the color.
Lucia, you want to help Ellie do this?
I don't think so. Snowy! I can't do it.
Okay, you got it. You can do it. Just the whole cake right here. Okay, so ready? Now we're done with that.
A little more. Good.
You want some cake with your powdered sugar?
Yeah.
So ours was the yellow one.
I think I went
Oh, so do you guys see a difference already?
This is more yellow.
This
Really?
is more yeah.
Okay, so everyone has a fork, so everyone that wants to try some, try some.
I think this one's sweet.
It's got more powdered sugar.
You ready? Hey! I like that one more.
I like the lighter one.
Oh?
Which one?
I think it's because you made it.
Grab some more powdered sugar. Anyone?
Got some good cake in my mouth. So, this is the end of one of our, the first of many cooking great grandma's recipes. See you next time.
Bye.
Please tell me you got that.
Okay, let's.
Oh my gosh, the ghost hand me scissors. So nice.
He took it out of the battle while it was still moving.
Oh, my lovely assistant. Oh, thank you so much. You ready?
I'm ready. Oh.
It has a hole.
Yeah.
Don't eat that.
Do
not eat
We're gonna need a sweep.